If you want to know how to add comments in Google Docs, then keep on watching this video. It is worth noting that for you to add and reply to comments, you first need to have edit or comment access to the document. Check out this video to learn how. To add comments on your computer, open a document, highlight the text, images, cells, or slides you want to comment on. Click either the comment icon in the toolbar or the one that appears on the right-hand side of the document. A comment box opens up, and here you can type in your comment and then click Comment to submit your note. Comments are threaded, and all you have to do to reply to one is click on it, type a reply, and then click Reply. Once the comment is on the document, click the three dots located on the right of the comment. Here you can make any changes, delete it, or generate a link that brings the person clicking on it directly to your comment. If you need to send a comment to a specific person, you can mention them and they'll receive an email notifying them of your comment. And that's pretty much it. If you have further questions, let us know in the comment section below. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified in our future uploads.